Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Hi you guys. Okay, so today I'm going to make a taco appetizer, okay? And it's going to be made with all of these ingredients. So you don't need that many ingredients, you guys. Okay? All right, you guys. Okay, so the first ingredient that we're going to use is the egg roll shells, okay? And then we're going to use some cheddar cheese. And we're going to need some taco sauce seasoning, okay? And some ground beef. You're going to need some tomatoes and some lettuce. Okay, you guys? And that's all we're going to need for this delicious appetizer. A taco appetizer. Okay? Maybe you can make these for your party if you're going to have a party. Okay, you guys? Okay, guys, so we're at the stove now and we're going to cook the ground beef, okay? So I'm going to add the ground beef. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna let the meat cook. Let me pat it all down first. I like to do this. Okay. Okay. And now I'm gonna. This is what I'm using. Okay. That's the taco sauce that I'm using. And then I'm just gonna add some black pepper because you know I love my black pepper. Okay. So I got my black pepper. Now we're just gonna let the meat cook, you guys. And I already chopped up my tomatoes, and that is all I need to chop up. Okay. So this is going to be a quick video, you guys. Not going to take much time to make these. So this is a quick um, meal for your kids if you're looking for something fast for them. If they like tacos. We love tacos in this house. And I think we're going to need some more taco seasoning, so I'm going to use another one. I like a lot of taco sauce on mine. Yeah, I'm going to use another pack, you guys. This is half of a pack of another pack that I had. I'm adding more. All right. I'm just gonna stir all that together. Make sure it's mixed all over the ground beef. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is having a good day. Today I wanted to watch some movies, and it was nice just to sit at home and relax. And then I decided to get up and make a video because I was hungry and I wanted some tacos, but I decided to do something different. So this is going to be a taco appetizer. Okay, you guys? Okay? So you're just making sure that all your meat is cooked, okay? And keep stirring it. Alright. We're gonna fry these, you guys. So we're gonna wrap them in the egg roll wrap, okay? And then we're gonna go over to the pot and where I have my cooking oil. We're gonna fry them. Okay, guys. So my mic went out, so I'm gonna have to voice over. Okay. And we're going to make some taco appetizers. Okay, guys, so I took the ground beef out of the skillet, okay? And then I put it in this little drainer thing that I'm going to drain all the oil off. And I can show you what I'm doing. See? I put the ground beef in here so that it can drain all the oil off. Because if I can take away some oil from my food, you guys, that's what I do, okay? So, a little bit healthier, see? And that drains all the oil off. So you just throw that away, okay? We don't need the extra oils. All right, and that's how I do it. Just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. To take all that extra oil and fat off, okay? So you can have some lean ground beef. All right, so that's how I do that. So I just want to show you guys. Okay, you guys, so my mic went out, so I had to voice over partially over this video. So that's why I had to do the voiceover. Okay? My mic just went out. But anyhow, so what we're going to do here is make the taco appetizers now, okay? We're going to put everything together. All right? We're just going to get everything together so that we can start this process, okay? We're going to use the egg roll wraps, okay? That's what we're using. Okay. All right, so just grab all the other ingredients. So I'm just going to add some ground beef to the egg roll wrap, okay? Put a couple scoops. And then I'm going to add the cheddar cheese. Okay. And slide it all down here so that we can wrap it. Okay, you guys? All right. And then I put my tomatoes on there also, you guys. And I put some water on the eggshell, the edges of it. And then I'm going to proceed to wrap the appetizer. Okay? And I'm not very good at wrapping things, you guys, so I do my best. This is not my specialty, wrapping things like I can cook, but honey, I'm not good at wrapping, like folding things like this. So that's just something I have to practice. But it will taste good. Okay, so this is all I'm doing for each one, you guys. I'm just doing this process over and over. Just taking the egg roll shells, okay? And I'm trying to separate it right there. So I'm just going to do the same thing for each one. Just put the ground beef in each one of the wraps, okay? That's all I'm doing. And then I add my cheese, my cheddar cheese, okay? And then I'm going to put my tomatoes in there also. And I'll just proceed to wrap it, okay? And I do my best, you guys. So that's what I'm doing here. So that is the whole process, okay? So I'm going to speed up the video because you don't need to look at me trying to wrap each one. Okay. And for that one, I added a second egg roll shell. I found that putting 2 egg roll shells on there was better than 1. And it made it easier. Okay? So that's all I'm doing for each one, you guys. All right? So I'll speed up the process. I'll speed up the video, okay? Okay, all done, you guys. All right, so now it's time to go fry them. Okay. Okay, let me do my little spinner. All right, let's go. Okay, you guys, so the cooking oil is ready. All right, so I'm gonna drop these in there. Try not to rip them. So I'll do 3 at a time. Okay, so we're just gonna let these cook, and you flip them over. Just flip it over. I don't want it to get too brown. Okay, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay, and you flip the third one. And that's all you do, you guys. Oh, they don't want to stay flipped over, huh? You gotta stay over. Okay. All right, let me hold him down because he don't want to stay. Okay. And it's ready. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Look at that. Don't that look good? Okay, guys, all done. And there you have it. You have your taco appetizers. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, let me know what you think, and thank you guys for watching. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.